welcome back to Mexico News Network's Daily Report. Remember, we're broadcasting from El Dorado Royal Spa Resort by Charisma. Keep informed about Mexico's day by day on our website www.mexiconewsnetwork.com and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. Art that evokes social protest and a very particular point of view, spiced up with the influence of a land that gave birth to unique artists. That is the essence of the work of Edgar Saner Flores, a visual artist, illustrator, and graphic designer who gained international fame in just a few years. His deepest inspirations are folklore, Mexican traditions, and pop culture, elements that come to life in each and every one of his breathtaking and moving creations. But instead of having me telling you this story, why not hear it from himself?
Algo que es innegable es que el muralismo pues nace en México. Mi nombre es Edgar y muchas personas me conocen como Saner, que es el seudónimo que yo escogí para pintar. Mi inicio sobre el muralismo es muy raro porque pues yo dibujo desde los 3 años, entonces he tenido como un acercamiento hacia el dibujo y la pintura desde temprana edad, pero sin saber como las vertientes o las corrientes plásticas que existían en su momento. Yo quedo impactado cuando tengo como, no sé, 5 o 6 años, por un billete que tenía la escena de la trinchera. Yo veía esa imagen con un tono en tonos morados que me gustaba mucho y trataba de copiarla, pero sin saber que en realidad eso era un mural, ¿no? Yo solo lo veía como una imagen de un billete. Y justo años después entiendo que era de una pieza de Orozco y descubrí como todo su trabajo artístico junto con Diego Rivera, junto con González Camarena. Ya con el tiempo, obviamente, cuando fui creciendo, pues ya fui a ver algunos de los murales en vivo y obviamente quedas más impactado, porque no es lo mismo pasar de un billete a pasar a un libro, a pasar a verlos ya con los tonos reales o con la magnitud que tienen como tal. También algo que me ayudó mucho yo creo que fue hacer graffiti. Empecé por el 97, 98, cuando yo descubro artistas como Gimios de Brasil, gente como Cés de Nueva York. Y cuando yo descubro un libro que se llama Art of Rebellion, pues veo a estas personas trabajando en Francia, trabajando en Italia, trabajando en Estados Unidos. Cuando pasa todo eso, pues obviamente ya tuve un conocimiento más claro de pues del mural y de la historia de las bellas artes, porque también pues estudié diseño gráfico. A partir del 2008 empecé a viajar por el mundo, invitado para tener exposiciones o hacer murales. Por ejemplo, el año pasado estuve en Francia haciendo un mural con la temática de la conquista, para generar una imagen romántica de cierta manera, donde se están besando un conquistador junto con un guerrero jaguar. Los dos se apuñalan y gracias a eso pues estamos nosotros, ¿no? Tenemos la idea de que por ser mexicanos nos va a costar mucho, o sea, en realidad nos va a costar y a mí me ha costado mucho, o sea, no puedo decir, ah, sí, la vida fue bien fácil conmigo. No, cada vez que salgo es como decir, estoy jugando un mundial y vas y tienes que salir y quedar entre los mejores, ¿no? Porque viene gente de Francia, viene gente de Nueva Zelanda, viene gente de Estados Unidos y tú tienes que dar tu mejor esfuerzo, ¿no? Y decir que pues por algo estás en esos lugares, ¿no? Trabajando y representando en cierta forma tu trabajo, pero también a tu país. Las salidas a Estados Unidos me han ayudado porque pues ver muchos compatriotas que también les da mucha felicidad de repente ver a alguien mexicano haciendo murales en las calles. Yo siento que ese también es el poder o la responsabilidad del arte público, ¿no? Generar una emoción, generar algo en el espectador. O sea, puede ser que al final no les gusten las piezas, o puede ser que lleguen y la tachen o la rayen, o también puede ser que la amen, ¿no? Es un volado, pero pues hay una inquietud y también hay una responsabilidad que se debe de tomar en serio. Lo que quiero dejar, una buena pregunta, no tenerle miedo a la palabra fracaso, ¿no? Porque pues, las cosas pueden sonar que son muy malas, pero en realidad son buenas. O sea, de algo te va a dejar de lección de vida y pues puedes hacer otras cosas a futuro, ¿no?
In other art news, Mexico City is the #1 city in Latin America with the largest number of buildings and the 8th worldwide. The urban landscape of this grand metropolis is constantly changing due to new constructions and modern buildings. Being such a vibrant city, the nation's capital is evolving to satisfy the needs of society, which is why the city is now turning to a cutting-edge monumental skyscrapers, creative architecture, and impressive roads, paving the way towards the future. Several buildings in Mexico City are being constructed for offices, homes, and entertainment purposes. Future plans even include the establishment of cities within the city. These projects are true works of art, scattered across the vast grounds of Mexico City. Join us to take a closer look at the top 8 architectonic projects of Mexico City. First, we have Siroco Elite Residences, a smart residential building that offers green solutions to everyday needs. It has a modern and unique design located in a privileged area of the city. Cutting-edge 43 floors of glass and metal give home to 214 units for those who enjoy a different way of living. Next, we have Torres Cuarzo, 2 buildings, 1 project. A hotel, offices, shops, and restaurants will be gathered into a contemporary construction. Located on Paseo de la Reforma, where several skyscrapers are currently under construction. This particular project is planned to be finished by 2016. Moving on to Torre Reforma. It is a groundbreaking, sustainable project with a futuristic style and the power to become an iconic building. Its efficient use of resources has granted it the pre-certification for leadership in energy and environmental design. The building's design will make smart use of natural resources and make it less harmful to the environment. In the middle, we have Garden Santa Fe, an innovative lifestyle center located not above ground but underground. It is built under precise, environmentally friendly premises designed to use natural lighting as well as collecting rainwater for internal usage. It is an underground shopping mall, outdoor park, and leisure space. Onward to Torre BBVA Bancomer, the BBVA Bancomer Mexico headquarters. It is designed to be the tallest building in the city, at least for some time. It is a thoughtfully designed building that took inspiration from Mexican architectural traditions and is a true representation of the bank's personality. The building features outdoor sky garden, where any of the 4,500 people who will work there will be able to enjoy spectacular views of the city. Next is Mítica, an avant-garde multi-purpose complex, a living city designed by Cesar Pelli, where modern living meets offices, services, and green areas, creating a sustainable spaces to enhance the lifestyle of those who choose to live in one of the tallest buildings of the city. Next is Millana. This is a completely Mexican project, an exclusive lifestyle complex that has the perfect balance to achieve a great quality of life. Featuring advanced technology and world-class amenities, designed by the architecture group Legorreta worldwide recognized architects. Finally, we have the new Mexico City International Airport, a massive project designed by the renowned Norman Foster in collaboration with Fernando Romero, who together created an environmentally friendly and completely new Mexico City International Airport, envisioned to be the world's most sustainable building in the world. And speaking of sustainability, the expansion of the Nestlé dairy plant in Lagos de Moreno in the Mexican state of Jalisco turned into the first zero-water manufacturing site. The introduction of this new concept aims to reduce up to 15% of the company's yearly water consumption in the country. A water shortage problem affecting the state of Jalisco led Nestlé to take action. The company invested approximately $15 million to introduce new technologies to the dairy plant in Lagos de Moreno in Jalisco, an action that will greatly benefit the state. In terms of company costs, the plant will now be able to save 1.6 million liters of water, which was once extracted from the public water system. The Cero Agua dairy factory installed new processes and equipment, which mean to cleanse and purify water extracted from cows' fresh milk. The entire process is described as follows. It starts with the arrival of dairy product, which contains about 88% of our water. Afterward, it's heated to collect condensation, which is then purified and used in other processes within the plant. The residual water is treated again and used to water gardens or for cleaning. By doing this process, Cero Agua, Nestlé will stop consuming large amounts of water daily, which could fill an Olympic-sized swimming pool per day. This will protect groundwater reserves, which at the same time will benefit local communities, since there will be more water than could cater to 6,400 inhabitants. This renovation is part of Nestlé's global effort to emphasize the importance of water access and preservation following the WATER commitments. W, to work to achieve water efficiency across our operations. A, to advocate for effective water policies and stewardship. T, to effectively treat the water we discharge. E, to engage with suppliers, especially those in agriculture. R, to raise awareness of water access and conservation. Following these commitments, the company has managed to save 3.6 million cubic meters of water thanks to the introduction of different water-saving projects. Since 2013, Nestlé has recycled 6.7 million cubic meters of water. During the past 10 years, Nestlé Mexico has reduced 48% of its water consumption per ton of food produced. Stay with us. We'll be right back with more information after these brief messages.